Being dead ass. This shit is not funny.
Yo, what's good? You know, it's your boy Zay, and today.
And your boy Asa, what's good, y'all? Continue.
Anyway, we finna be doing a prank on our boy Bryan, right? So right now we got like mad zip ties, probably a lot more than we need. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna be taking all of his personal possessions. You know what I'm saying? Like his laptop, I guess a calculator. What else?
His shoes. We gonna zip tie his shoes together.
Son, we gonna zip tie his bed. I don't know how we gonna do it,
but
his bed is gonna get zip tied. All right. So starting off, we gonna open up the hyper tough 11-inch.
Damn, it's about bigger than me.
Look about right.
You're supposed to live in the moment.
No, Asa, it has to be a good video.
I'm living in the moment. Yo, fuck the video.
That's the whole point of it. Alright, so we're gonna start with this nigga computer.
Put that shit on the bottom. You want
on the bottom?
Yeah, like the bottom down there. You want that shit to fall.
Oh yeah,
and then he really be mad.
Shit, yeah, I'd really be mad too. Alright, we finna take this.
Oh wait, we should zip tie all his shoes together.
We are.
This nigga got like, he got a whole rainbow assortment.
Oh yeah, and especially since they did, bro.
It's fruity ass.
I don't think we could put that in the video, Asa.
What?
A fruity ass, cause.
No, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about my nigga Bryan.
I'm talking about, but still, you know, it's a day and age when everybody get offended by any type of joke. You know what I'm saying? Stop being pussies.
Anyway. Fruity ass nigga, look at them rainbow shoes. Look at that shit. Looking like fruity pebble ass feet, nigga. All right, let's get going. What time is it?
I don't know.
Hold on, I got my phone.
10:05.
All right, he get out at like 30.
30. Oh yeah, but he get back.
Sometimes he be getting back sooner, cause he be like getting his shit done. So like.
Alright, so shit. Alright, so he probably gonna know that everything is zip tied in here, but we're not gonna tell him his shoes and shit is zip tied. So he only gonna have one pair of shoes, the ones on his feet. So you know we gotta do this shit. That's how you do it, right?
Yeah.
Bro, this joint's mad complicated. Not really, yo. You know how perfect these are made for bank
robbers?
Yeah, like
we're tie a nigga up with that shit real quick.
That ass, and look, you. What's coming out? Nothing.
That shit ain't coming.
Alright, boom, sit down, sit down.
Alright.
Wanna learn how to tie your shoe? It's a very easy thing to do. You sit on down and I'll give you the scoop. What's that? It's called the loop-de-loop. You gotta take a lace in each hand. You go over and under again. You make a loop-de-loop and pull, and your shoes are looking cool. You go over and back, left to right, loop-de-loop, and you pull them tight.
Yeah.
Should I tie these ones right here?
No, I don't bother those. Those are his bed. Actually, nah, just leave them. Those ones would be the dirty ones.
Oh yeah.
He be balling in those.
Ain't gonna have nothing else, dude.
Alright, yo, put this shit up.
That's all it is, right?
Yeah. And we can go ahead and zip tie the doors together.
Anything else that should go in here?
Not necessarily. We could zip tie shit to random things.
Yeah,
like.
Oh,
yeah.
whoa, see him doing? Skip the pair of shoes.
Ooh, those are his favorites.
Did I?
I don't know.
What the fuck was the point of that?
Again with the rainbow shoes. Alright, you got the doors right here. You see, that shit's perfect for zip tie. Look, I got the little holes right there.
Exactly, locks? Nah, zip ties. Oh, well, y'all don't got no scissors or nothing, right?
Nah.
Cool.
I got my toenail clippers, but you know.
Just make sure he don't find them shits.
Yeah.
Yo, Asa, whatever you do not open this shit for him, alright?
Alright.
Like, I don't care if this nigga actually has to go to class in the morning. You're not opening this shit for him.
No, he's gonna come in. He's probably gonna take a shower or some shit like that. Alright, nigga, now you hold the camera. We tie some of this shit up. Alright. Those can be tied up.
Guess that's that?
No, actually, we can tie his shoes up to this. Oh, hell yeah.
He's gonna want us to stop. He's gonna want us to like stop it. He gonna be like, yo, stop playing. Oh, stop playing with me and unzip my shit. Nigga, no. The fuck? I bet you don't come for the camera. You better back up. I told you the other day I almost hit Bryan with a Glade can.
Bryan be trying niggas.
That should be blowing mine. Try the zip tie.
We could do that chain thing.
Yo, we did actually do the chain thing to somebody's doors. Just like chain their doors together. And they, but I feel like it'll be some kill buzz who walks by and they cut it like, this is so immature. Yeah, I smack shit out you.
Alright, so we got this. Ooh.
Get this one too. Hit this one too.
Skirt.
Make sure you get that peg. Show me that zip tie action, Asa. Go ahead.
This zip tie action right here.
Alright, that's that future bank robber right here.
What we got going on right here. This shit intricate. Okay, don't be judging a nigga out how you zip tie. This shit difficult.
Goes to the camera hidden and everything as best as we could do it, you know what I'm saying? You know, we didn't really put much effort into it, but it is what it is, so shit. Yo, Ace fucking ugly. I'm putting that shit in the video too. Let's go.
Nigga, where's my laptop?
I don't know.
Yo.
Ace, you play too much.
Ace playing around so much. Oh my gosh.
How your laptop?
Okay, I just need to find it.
Your laptop is with your belongings.
Bro, you really did that?
Zay, what you doing? I said, where'd you go? Bryan, your laptop's like, yeah. Just like my lighter.
You're a dumbass.
Just like my lighter, it's with your belongings. Go, hey, yo, and I told you, I was like, Bryan, I'm gonna get you back for that one night. It's over.
Hey, watch out, the TV might pop. Calm down with that shit. I'm tweaking. You don't got no scissors and nail clip? Damn. Strong. Go ahead.
Go ahead with your bad self. I like it, Bryan.
Oh my gosh, bro. Where is it?
With what?
Niggas a zip tie. Oh my god, yo, I hope you don't want this on you.
Hey, don't break your keys.
Yeah, you might not be able to get back in the room if you break your keys.
Oh, that was stuck.
Oh, damn. He almost got it. Almost.
Try it again. Oh, slip.
Oh, so close.
Okay.
Hey, yo, Bryan.
What?
Nothing. I just want to fuck with you. Yo, this is hilarious.
Y'all going to the gym or not?
Nigga, no.
No.
What?
We want to watch you fuck with your
Exactly. You get it, Bryan?
Nah, I'm fucking up my key.
You fucked it?
Let's see if it keeps.
Yeah, you better make sure your key still work, Bryan, because that was a stupid ass idea. Should use your brute strength like you did last time. What you putting in your back? You leaving?
I gotta go to the library and do this shit.
What? Oh, to do it midnight?
Yes.
Why don't you just get your shit?
Oh, shit.
Huh?
Why don't you just get your shit?
Oh, wait. The libraries do it as close as at 10.
For real?
Yeah, on this campus it closes at 10, 12 on the other.
But, take the Bob over to the Kennesaw campus.
Yeah, the last Bob is about to leave. You better hurry up if you want to take it, B.
This is not funny, because I didn't lock your shit up, bro. I just hid your shit.
You
I
hid
didn't
it?
lock your shit up.
Maybe your shit's still out in the room. I never said it was in
I
there.
know, but I didn't lock your shit up.
I never locked your shit up. How you know your laptop isn't in your room?
I know. Even if my laptop's not in here, you still lock my shit up.
Really?
Yes. I didn't lock your shit up.
Oh. Okay.
You said it's due at midnight?
Huh?
Is me due at midnight? Is it a lot, or just a little?
That chemistry homework is kind of a lot because like each question has like A through like H of like in a question. Cause I remember last time I had some shit due, y'all was like, hey, so it's no big deal.
Oh, that's because we wanted you to come. That's because we wanted you to come with us somewhere. That was your fault, Asa.
Yeah, that's not, bro.
Bryan,
that's
we
not
want you to
the
come to the
same
gym with
thing.
us. Come to the gym with us.
I'll come to the gym with y'all.
Come on, let's go.
Okay, if you give me my shit, I'll come with y'all.
What
But
is that?
how you gonna do it? How you gonna do it by
Whatever
midnight?
my
If
shit is, I want it, and I want this shit unlocked. I don't care if it's not in here. I want it. Like, you can't lock my shit up, bro. I didn't do that to you.
yeah, that's mad disrespectful,
You doing-
Asa.
He is mad disrespectful.
Like, you're doing way too much right now.
Really?
Yes.
A lot of it too much, or a
Unlock
little
it.
bit too much.
What do you mean unlock it, bro? I need to get something to unlock it with.
You want a key?
Something that
You want the combination?
Y'all niggas are so...
Like it's like
Wait, I'm annoying.
Yes, nigga, I didn't lock your shit. You could have hid my shit, but you're too stupid to hide it because you know I was gonna find it.
I'm stupid now? Wow. It's just about to help him too. But I'm stupid. I forgot how.
I'm stupid. I forgot how. Hey Bryan, for real, you wanna know
You're doing way too much, bro. I'm about to get mad for real. You
You
doing
mad
way
for
too
real?
much. Like for real, you doing way too much now. Like that shit was funny at first. Now you doing too much. You tying up my shoes too. That shit not funny, bro. Like I'm actually getting mad.
You mad?
And if this nigga don't stop recording, that shit's getting hella annoying too.
I'm not recording no more.
Bro, like, can you
I
just
got
unlock
you.
the shit?
I got you.
Stop talking. Just unlock it. Just cut the shit open.
Hey, I got you. Relax.
Okay.
Hey, relax.
Okay, just cut it
Yo,
open,
yo,
bro.
yo,
This shit not
relax.
funny.
Relax.
Okay, unlock it. Cut it open.
You come on. Do you have any scissors?
Hell no, I don't.
Oh shit. How we gonna cut it open? I got toenail clippers, bro. I'll cut it.
Okay, cut it open.
Last time on Dragon Ball Z.
Yo, Asa, whatever you do not open this shit for him, alright?
Alright.
Hey, Asa, you got the right combination for it?
I think so.
30.
2202?
Hell no, no. What is 32 4 12?
32 412?
Yeah. Make sure you get it right. It got an auto lock feature where if you don't, you locked out for 600 seconds like an iPhone.
Yo, I think that this shit wrong. It should say 100 seconds. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. There you go, Bryan.
Cut this shit open too.
That shit down too.
Oh, it's at the bottom, by the way, Bryan, because we want to make sure it didn't fall. Like,
What the fuck are y'all doing, bro?
Yo.
Like this shit is not funny, bro. I didn't touch your shit.
Okay, relax.
This shit is not funny, bro.
Okay.
Cut all that shit open
Okay.
now. This shit is not funny at all.
Alright, I'll cut your shit.
Damn, bro.
Hey,
Hiding
hey,
my laptop is
hey,
something different. You
hey.
fucking touching my stuff. Damn, bro. I didn't even touch your shit last time. Bro, turn that shit off. I'm not even dead ass, bro. Get out.
Watch out.
This shit is not funny.
Bye, Zay. I see you, bro.
alright. Shit, I gotta get some shit from your drawer.
Go ahead.
Hey, get the fuck out, bro.
Like, watch him off. I'm getting some shit from him. I'm talking to like that.